Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, August 1st, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the monthly dollar CAD, I mean, we are definitely going up, and I would be looking for longs on sort of time frames, but I am definitely still keeping an eye out for this big push down that I've been talking about, ABC of wave B. Hasn't happened yet, and I'm definitely looking for longs on sort of time frames, but I'm still keeping an eye out for this wave C scenario. Going down to the weekly time frame, I still kind of think this looks like a impulsive up, corrective in the middle, and then impulsive up. I still think it looks like an ABC of B. So I am definitely looking to see if it breaks structure to the downside right at this previous high. If it does, then I definitely will start looking for shorts on shorter time frames. If it doesn't, then I'll just keep on looking for longs every chance I get. Going down to the daily time frame, it looked like it was going to break structure yesterday. We had interest rate news yesterday. It did break structure, but it almost instantly rejected it, telling me that I should really continue to look for longs, at least until we get a nice break and hold below structure. Maybe it's a wave C, maybe not. I don't really care either way because I'm looking for longs on shorter time frames. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, price went all the way down, broke structure, but then rejected it. Normally that's a pretty good indication that it's actually still in an uptrend. Kind of looks to me like a 1-2, and this is maybe the 3, and this is like a wave 4, and that we're actually in a wave 5. So I still think it is pretty possible that it does go down and break structure, but until it actually does do that, I would actually be looking for longs because we don't really know that it's going to do that, and it easily could just keep on trending up, which is why I would continue to trade with the trend. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, definitely a really nice long last night, but unfortunately it happened about 1, 2 o'clock in the morning my time, so I did not take that. Beautiful trade though. We've been looking for longs for weeks now, and that was another beautiful long opportunity right there. Really, if you've done nothing but look for longs over the last probably 3 or so weeks, you would have made a lot of money on this thing. So I'm definitely still looking for longs. I'm only going to go long on pullbacks. If and when it does make a pullback, I will go long again for the continuation of the uptrend. At least until we get a nice break and hold below structure, preferably on like the 4 hour to daily time frame. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.